episode, we're gonna do what we're doing in the last video. Put together a fucking bike rack in a not so random parking lot in the public with people watching me talk to a fucking camera. They're really good with their boxes. Remember, don't cut towards yourself. Try not to cut you feel me? Put the knife up. Let's open this bad boy up and see what's up in here. Packaged up in there, super nice. She looks like carbon fiber. Yeah. She's black and red like a Ferrari. Looks good. It's got a carbon fiber look on it, so you can feel fat before you get on your bike. Forgot to put all this right here, because it's right there.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We got this thing in pieces. I guess I'm gonna have to read these instructions after all. All right, we got it. And just like that, she's together, boys. Together. But I mean, like, literally, I've never in my life seen something so easy to put together. I can't wait to get a bike on it, see how good she does. Speaking of loading up, so let's say you're out like giving her the berries, sending it, hitting the jumps, hitting the rock gardens, and then you come back to your car and your arms are so tired, you don't even have to worry about picking the bike up. This bike rack has user-friendly features, which includes an integrated loading ramp for easy bike mounting that supports heavy e-bikes. Pull the ramp out, set it up, roll it up, clamp her down, baby, and then you're good to go. This rack also has a universal protective design, which is a patent-pending tire hold system that requires zero frame contact, making it compatible with fat tires up to 5 inches. Fenders, step-thru frames, and carbon fiber bikes. They got you covered. So this is my favorite part about this rack. It has all-road heavy-duty performance, which means it's engineered for both rugged trails and city streets with 200-pound load capacity. The reinforced steel aluminum construction handles intense off-road conditions while maintaining a sleek urban aesthetic. And we want our bikes to get there. We want the thing to be durable, but it's gotta look good too. It looks fast even if you're not. If the ramp wasn't good enough to sell you on this rack also has a tri-lock stability system, which features a 3-point reinforced locking mechanism that outperforms standard 2-point racks. The overbuilt off-road first design with an advanced anti-wobble technology keeps the bike secure on the bumpiest of terrain, baby. Holy crap, that was insane. I hit that one bump so freaking hard, you probably couldn't tell that much because I didn't have a camera on inside the truck, but I hit that thing so hard, bottomed out, felt like the truck just like flew off the ground. Let's take a look at the rack and make sure my bike is all right, because that was gnarly. She's dirty. Bike is good. Rack is good. Yeah, I give this rack an A+. If you should want to pick up one of these racks, click the link in my description and then also use code SEND15, baby. You get a 15% discount. All right, so the first part of the urban assault, we're gonna be nice. We're gonna cruise around the streets.
it. I'm gonna keep it 50-50 straight.
We're gonna see how well this thing does, weaving in and out of traffic, going around roundabouts, hitting some tight streets, going slow, bumper to bumper traffic. We already know it's gonna do good. But what we really want to know is what happens if you had a really, really bad day. Oh, let's just say you've been out in the desert, you've been riding mountain bikes all freaking day, and you're just straight up delusional and almost had a heat stroke. You're clinically insane just from heat exhaustion, and you should probably be going to the emergency room. But instead, no. Oh, oops. So now that we're done with the urban assault, we can get into the pros and cons. We're going to start with the pros because I've already mentioned most of them earlier, but I'm going to reiterate, you feel me? So the universal protective design, which is the tire clamp system that doesn't touch your frame, that's a bonus. And then it also has the tri-lock stability feature, which we talked about that earlier. That's a pro. Then it also has user-friendly features like the loading ramp. We've definitely talked about that. And the great thing about it is it has worry-free ownership with a 1-year warranty. You ain't got to worry about it. They got you. It also has like all-road heavy-duty performance, which we've seen that. The off-road durability test, this rack's passed it all. But I do have one gripe. There's like absolutely like one thing, and it's a con. Like as it starts to get dirty and you start to use it more and more and more, it starts to make this horrible screeching noise. I've tried Tri-Flow, which kind of quietened it down a little bit. I'm not too sure what to do about that, but when you move the tire clamp back and forth, it just screeches really bad. It sounds like a freaking crow or something that got ran over. So this is my favorite part of the video. This is where I talk about what actually happens after day one. We're talking about daily use for months. Daily trips to go mountain biking, weekend trips, camping out, off-roading, and basically just acting like a hooligan in my truck with my bike on the back with this bike rack. It's the final verdict. Alright, now we can see the user-friendly features such as the integrated loading ramp got smashed when I was hitting poles, which we can expect that to happen. But I think what's good about having this on here is that it acts as a bumper. So if somebody runs into you or you run into something else, this is going to absorb most of the shock and probably save your bike rack and your bike. I don't recommend treating it like I did. That's what it looks like. That still works. This is the tray that I used all of the time, not even scratched, and it still looks good. So yeah, and so it still works amazing. So now I think we need to test the foldability, if that's a word, because we went hard with it. I just want to make sure it still goes up and down. I mean, yeah, that thing works. Still folds up. You kind of have to like move it around a little bit to get the pin back through. There we go. And just like that. What are you waiting on? Use code SEN15 and click on that link in the description and buy this thing so I can get some money. I'm trying to get a new bike, baby.